Hello, I am As Marias, the school librarian, and today I'm going to show you how we can explore, how we can use and access Explora Elementary School for elementary students. So to get started, we go to the school website www.gwa.ac.ma. Then we go to Student Live, Library Media Tech Center. We scroll down and we go to library and we click the yellow link, click here. And then we go to the GWA Library Hub, which is the GWA Library website. And we are now in the library homepage. And we go to the second page, research, and we click research. And here, this is how we can access Explora Elementary School, which is a database from EBSCO-host. So remember, before we go any further, the first time you're accessing Explora Elementary School, you should enter in, it will prompt you for username and password. This is the credentials you should remember anytime you want to log into Explora. So take note of these two credentials if you want to access Explora Primary School from the prompting page that will show up right now. So I've already entered the user ID and the password. Do not sign in with Google at this time. Then you click sign in. So here is Explora Elementary School database, which is actually a database that provides research for students at their grade level and their Lexile level. It is a very useful tool to run your searches, either for people or places or any other topics. Basically, you can enter your keyword or keywords in the search field here, or you can browse. There are certain topics about different personalities or places or topics, and if you want to learn more about that topic, you can just click the learn more link. You can also run your search by clicking one of these 8 topics: animals, arts and music, biographies, geography, language arts, math, science, and social studies. When you click one topic here, it will show you the other subtopic that you can browse and read more about. Click in the subtopic, you can see the articles. To go back to the home page, you click on the Explorer icon. You can also, if I want to learn more about, let's say, Colorado, I can go to geography topic, hit country, states, cities, and more. By clicking more, you know more about geography, or you can just click geography here and go to the alphabetical links here that we see here. For example, I go to C to know more about Colorado. And you have here all cities or countries or continents that start with the letter C. By clicking Colorado, for example, you will find articles about Colorado here. Okay, so this is one way to search for a place in Explora. Going back to the clicking on Explora icon here or logo will take you to the home page to start a new search. Let's say I want to use the Explora find search here. I want to know more about a figure, Albert Einstein, for example. So I enter in the name of the figure I want to know more about, his legacy, his early life, his background, anything about this figure. I enter the name or the phrase or the keyword and I click search. It should pull all the results that are in Explora that are about Einstein. Okay, do it again. And here we have many results that shown about Albert Einstein, and most of the time you can find a topic overview which tells you in summary everything about Albert Einstein. You can, if you want to know more about that topic, you can click more, And you can also fine-tune or limit these 5,000 results by limiting by the publication date. We can move the date to, let's say, 19, for example, 68, or even 2020, or anything, or any date you want to start your search for Albert Einstein. You can also limit by the source type. If you want to see only magazines, if you want to see only news or reviews or encyclopedias or only biographies, you can also use the source type limiter to limit and fine-tune your results. So let's open the second article. We have the HTML full text that you can read and listen to. And I'll show you how you can listen to the article. You can also open the PDF full text if you want. By the magnifier here, when you click the magnifier, it just gives you an idea about the article you're going to open. This is the abstract, which is a summary of the article that you're going to read. If you don't like it, you don't have to open it. Choose something else. But if by reading the summary and you like what's in the summary, you may close it and open the full text to read the entire article. So now I'm opening the article. We have information about Albert Einstein's life, about his early life, in his own words, his education, his career, Einstein's work and life in his own words. And then if you don't want to read the article and you want to listen to it instead, you can use the audio option here.
Albert Einstein, landscape architect. Contents.
You can stop it. And on the right side, you have some very useful and cool tools. For example, if you want to cite this article, you want to know how to cite this article, click Cite, and it should open up the citation formats. And normally we use the MLA format. When you scroll down, you find MLA format. You can copy, Command C, select the citation, and you click Command C to copy it, and then Command V to paste it in your Word document or in your bibliography page. You can also print the article, you can email it, you can also save it or add it to your Google Classroom or Google Drive. So this is how you use Explora Primary or Elementary School for your searches. If you have any questions, you can contact me or send me an email. I can help you with your search and help you with your citations. And thank you for watching Explora Primary School video.